Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build solar panel in one human. So first navigate to Memetics tab, and then we have to go to Logistics, and we will scroll down and we will find solar generator here under the Ascendance. So you will unlock this and you will unlock the solar generator along with many different items. Then we will go back and we will open the build menu by pressing B, then going to facilities, power facility, and here you will find solar generator. Now to build solar generator you need other basic items along with fuse. Now fuse is very easy to create. We can simply go to our supplies workbench and here you will find fuse, and as you can see fuse here and copper ingot, glass, and some basic metal scraps is all you need to make fuse. So once you have fuse and other items, you can go back to the build menu, select solar generator, and you can place it anywhere exposed to sunlight. It will produce solar power. You can connect the generated electricity to various devices such as electric furnaces or isolated secure man units to power up your setup. That's it for today on how to build solar panel in one human. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.